everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be watching some more Teen Wolf. We're at season 3 episode 21 and this one is titled The Fox and the Wolf. I want to see Evil Styles again, but like for personal reasons, you know. I don't like that he's evil, but I kind of dig it too, so we'll see where that goes, but I'm really excited. Let's get back into it.
There's an answer, I swear. Come on, just try. What gets broken without being held? I don't care. I promise.
I was gonna say trust.
It's stupid. The hell?
What has a neck but no head?
This looks just like me. This has to be my grandmother.
You remember I told you about Malia? She's the last one who saw Styles at Eichen House. This picture and this, they found it with a body buried in a wall. The same backwards 5 that they only put on us was on the wall. It sounds like it all goes back to your family, your grandmother, your mom.
It does look like her.
What is it?
My dad.
It's probably her on the picture.
Styles did this?
He wanted the last Kaiken. I've kept this near me ever since your friend disappeared.
Mom, you need to talk to us about everything.
Yeah, please. It's time.
It's me.
She would be way older.
Hey, is a little help here?
If that's you, then you'd have to be like 90 years old.
Closer to 900.
Okay, sure. Why not?
You told Allison and Isaac that there was no internment camp at Oak Creek.
Allison's family has a certain history of violence. I didn't know if she could be trusted. There was a camp, yes, but all the records were erased.
They covered it up.
When I was a grad student, my passion project, actually more like an obsession, was trying to dig up the truth on Oak Creek. That's how I met your mother, Kara.
And that, kids, is how I met your mother.
So where did the Nogitsune come from? Isn't it obvious yet? It came from me.
Apologize right now. That's cool. I love flashbacks. I'm a big fan of, like, this.
Did you manage to steal any firecrackers? A machine gun, maybe? I could feel your glare on the back of my headset, Tommy.
She plays in Shameless, I
You take
think.
too frequently, and you take too much. Should I give some back? I know you get migraines at least once a month. I prefer to suffer.
Somebody lose something?
There were supplies stolen off the truck last night. Anybody here got any ideas what happened?
He's cute.
If you want to defeat your enemy, you don't take away their courage. You take away their hope.
You don't look like a man who gives up hope easily.
But Styles might. If this thing inside him, if it's using his mother's disease as some sort of psychological trick, then this isn't just a fight for his body. It's also a fight for his mind, right?
You know, he's left people severely injured.
And others severely dead.
Why do I like you when you're acting tough?
Maybe because you want me to be a fighter.
And if missing a few bottles of aspirin is that bad, I'll bring them back.
Let me help. I can get stuff too.
Is he
Pretty slime myself.
going to be? Because
I like chocolate more.
she said it came from her. So like, is he gonna get found out?
Your friend's gone, Scott.
I don't think you know that for sure. You brought the Oni. Can you call them off?
It's not his fault. Styles may be your best friend. He might be like a brother to you, but he is Nogitsune now. He is void.
Can you call them off?
When you hear the rest of the story, you won't want me to. I was teaching him some French.
Que des froids? Que des foudres?
Foudra. It's an sound.
Que de foudre?
Not bad. It's an idiom, but the literal translation is bolt of lightning.
Coup de foudre.
Embrassement.
D'accord.
I don't remember teaching you that.
That one's self-taught. Figured it might come in handy.
She said it's an sound, but it's not.
Embrassement. Kiss me.
That was good.
You'll never experience something as simple as a common cold. Something as bad as the flu. Or something like
pneumonia. Same as the others.
Mika, I'm okay. It's not that bad.
Did they do it on purpose? They got them sick?
Dr. Liston was using American Haze to sell medicine on the black market.
You'll feel sick. I'm gonna be here next to meet you.
You want to know what I think? You won't even get a condescending smile. They won't listen to us. Why should they?
I have a way to make them listen.
I had realized the mistake I had made by speaking too soon.
I keep trying to figure out who is going to be the Nogitsune, I want to say. What's she gonna do? You son of a bitch. Oh!
Now I knew why Satomi was always trying to keep quiet. Why she got migraines once a month. Why she was always at the game of Go and kept her calm.
She was bitten.
Oh my god. So it is him. It's Styles.
Security precautions put in. Motion sensors, cameras.
Is that his room?
Of course it's him. Ah, he's looking right at the... don't do that. So he's looking at the Oh, he's waving. Okay. It's not terrifying at all.
The screams could be heard throughout Aiken House, echoing through every room, every hallway. He died in agony. They were covering it up. The doctor, Merrick, Hayes, and all of the others, they were going to get away with murder. By chance, I guess, Reese's body had been put next to mine. They were going to burn me with the others. I couldn't fight back with my body weakened and still healing. I could barely move. So I called out to our ancestors for Kizunetsuki, possession by a fox spirit, for a powerful Nogitsune. One that feeds off chaos, strife, and pain. To take control of my weakened body, imbue it with power, and use it as a weapon. Recalling on a trickster spirit is a dangerous thing.
It went
They can have a very
into
dark sense of humor. Because while the Nogitsune did come to possess someone,
wasn't her.
it wasn't me.
But how did he just come back? How is he here now?
Excising the Nogitsune from Rise's body shattered the katana. But you can put it back together.
Why don't you just do it yourself?
Because I'm not a Thunder Kitsune. Do you trust me?
I just found out you're 900 years old. I don't think I'm ever gonna trust you again.
Trust me on this.
That's pretty cool.
You want to save Styles? Kill him. That's the only way.
You agree with this?
Sometimes history does repeat itself, Scott.
These children played their part in it long before we came back to Beacon Hills. I buried the jar deep within the roots of the Nematon. It was their sacrifice that brought its power back. They let the demon out of its cage.
Full circle, y'all.
Hi, Dad.
Don't you call him Dad? What? Oh my god, I am so sorry about like that cat. She's so needy. And like she's full of energy. I always play with her. Before I record, I spend a good like 20 minutes making her run around, jump. She is very well taken care of, but sometimes she just wants to nap on us. And right now I'm holding her like a baby with just one arm. And it's adorable, but she is very she's intense, but we love her. But anyway, she was like pausing, just walking around. She kind of had me distracted for a little bit, but I really did like soak up a lot of this episode. It was very important, especially to understand where I always forget, and Nogitsune, where it comes from. It was really interesting, and we learned that it comes from like a love story that she had with one of the American medics, and they fell in love, and she was stealing from their trucks to get like stuff for... Okay, calm down. You want kisses? I'm sorry. Oh, baby girl. You're so cute. Anyways. Yeah, they fell in love, and she was stealing supplies, mostly like medical supplies for her own people, you know, the people she was with, and just to take care of them. At some point I was like, maybe if like we're seeing their love story, maybe it means that he is the one. And then I was like, I feel like with the anger, and I don't know, I felt like it would be, because I didn't think it was already like a spirit who would come to possess. I thought that the spirit would be born out of someone and that she would be involved. You know, that's kind of what I thought would happen. But apparently it's a spirit that was already existing, and you can just call on them to just like come and possess someone. I'm guessing it's harder than that, but just like she thought that she would be possessed and that she would have revenge, but it's a trickster. So it possessed Reese. And that's how this whole thing was born. And they mentioned, which is pretty cool because it's a big callback and it's kind of like full circle, that it was with the sacrifice at like the season finale, well, season 3A finale, that the sacrifice that they made, because after that they kind of like, it's when it started, like the whole sleepwalking and them having issues from what they did. So it makes sense, and they unleashed the demon, and that's how he is back. Because I was like, how is he back? Like, I feel like he was killed, but we had the little fly and she captured it and she buried it, but now it's back. So yeah, that was a really interesting episode. It was captivating. It's setting us up to what's coming, and I feel like the next episodes are going to be really, really packed with action and, you know, just trying to save Styles, because there's 3 episodes left and we need to save him. We're not going to kill Styles. Okay, you're done? What are you doing? You done? Okay, bye-bye. But yeah, so that was a really good episode, and it's an episode that was, like, we needed that one. We needed to have a little bit more of the background, and, you know, I really enjoyed it, and I love flashbacks. So, let's see the rating that it has on IMDb. I would say, like, maybe like 8.5. 8.5. See? I had a feeling it was really good. It wasn't like a wow episode, but it was one that, like, without it, we would be missing a lot of information. So I really enjoyed it. So that was season 3, episode 21, The Fox and the Wolf. I'm so excited. We're getting so close to the end. We're going to have next week season 3, episode 22, and then the week after we're going to have episode 23 and 24. We're going to finish the 3rd season. And I'm really excited. So I'll see you guys for the next episode, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.